Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make a music band. So this is the code. We are going to make this one more time. So it will work like this. Not really like a musical band, but it will work. So we are going to do this all in show text. This all via text. But not today. We will try the text one in our next video. We're going to do with the black blocks on it. Okay, so here is our project which we are going to make. No codes written. Here's our toolbox, and this is our animations one. We have to add two more animations here. No, three more animations here. I have added the player one. You will have to draw this here because you will not get player this red dot anywhere on the uh, animation library. So you'll have to draw this, and you'll get the guitar in the fantasy background in the backgrounds, and we'll rename this as player. This will be our player. The new animation will be our drum. Here is our drum. Done. Just we'll rename this as drum only. And then new animation will be this. Add, and then new frame this 8 note down. Okay, so this will work like this. First the straight one and then the downwards. So it will work like this. We'll rename this as music one. Okay, here. And then we'll add the same animation but with the quarter note. Okay, we'll add a new frame of quarter note down. So it will work like this. And we'll rename this as music one. I mean music two. Okay, done. Now nothing is remaining for the animations one. Okay. Now we are going to add we are going to make some variables first. So sprites where uh, set animation and scale. So these are the three basic things that you need. So variable sprite, which will be background. Okay. Now we'll create this sprite at the position 200 200 because we want it to spread on the whole screen. Then sprite set animation. So in sprite one we will add, first we'll copy down this, control C. Now control V, control V, control V. Okay. Now the scale should be, we don't need the background scale, right? So we'll remove the scale and try to run it. Nothing happened because we didn't use draw sprite still yet. And then we will go in the text one, add here this, and then here, then blocks. So the space is left, right? We will add this here. So actually, we don't actually need this here. And now we'll add here. What will we add? First, we'll go in the blocks, add set animation, then what? Scale. So this is for our player. So we'll control A and control C. Now we'll control control V, and control V. And then the players, this should be the player's position will be anywhere on the screen. So 200 200. Then player scale. So the player scale should be 0.3 as seen here. Okay, so here comes 0.3. And then the player is done. Now we'll go add here where sprite again. Go to the show text here and enter. Just like that. We added this white block here. Okay, sprite is defined but it's not following. Don't look at those yellow triangles. Okay, so first again we will do this and we'll scale here. So where sprite, which sprite should we do? Guitar. Okay, guitar. The position will be 150 and 330. So 150 is the x coordinate and the 330 is the y coordinate. So 150 and 330. But if we run, nothing will happen because we didn't use the draw sprites yet. Okay, now this will be again guitar, but first we will copy this and then paste, paste, and paste. And the guitar scale should be 0.4, just zero point 0.1 scale more than the player, because the player will be the red dot, right? And the guitar will be the human, this one. And this is the player, right? So this is the thing. And then we will add one more where sprite, but again go to the show text and enter. This is the main thing for making it work. This is the main thing to make it work. So we'll again add these things. Okay. Okay, this will be a drum. Let's add drum. And control A, control C. Paste, paste, paste. It will be pasted everywhere. And the position will be of the drum set will is 300 300. Okay, uh, here. So it will add 300 300. See, control V. Okay, now the drum scale should be, what should be the scale? 0.6, because the drum will be the big note. The drum will be big, so we'll need the size to be the highest here. And then again, where sprite, show text, and here enter. And then let's do one in this text. Only one sprite, which is our music one. Music one. Create sprite. We'll write the coordinates afterwards. And then here enter. Here I write music one dot set animation 13, and then here we'll add a colon, and then we'll write here music one. Okay, and then here a semicolon, just like that. And then going down, music one dot scale is equal to what should be the scale? 0.5. Let's keep it 0.5. Okay. That would be missing semicolon. Okay, done. Right? So we did one as like this, but we'll just copy this whole thing and just paste it here. Now what do we have to do? Just write this. So it should be 200, 200. All the ones should be changed into 2. Okay? Second, all the ones should be changed into 2. And the scale should be the same, right? So if you go to the show blocks now, see, we have done this 2 in the, where? In the text one. So what will be the position of this? 25 to 88. Okay. 25 to 88. And what will be the position of the music to 63 and 316? So here's 63 and 316. And okay, we have done till here. Now what will be the next thing? Can you tell? How can you tell? We are on a video. So the next thing will be the function draw. Okay. So here. No. Functions and where is the function draw? Where is the function draw? Okay, I think this is the function draw. Right? And the main thing, the enter. Right. So we need here draw. Need the draw function, right? Yeah. Is it the same? Yes. Now we'll copy this whole code here. So first player.x is equal to world mouse. Okay, so let's do this. Should we do this in the text one? This too. Okay, let's do it. Player.x text player.x is equal to player.x is equal to world mouse.x world dot mouse. Okay, so we'll copy this thing. Copy. And then we'll paste it. Just change all the x to y, and here also the same thing. Y. Okay, then if you go to the show blocks, what will it be? Let's see if it's right. Yes, it's right. Okay. So what's next here? Hmm. The if condition. Okay, now it's easy, right? So we'll take if condition here, not here, in the function draw, and show text. Here, what will we add? Enter. Okay. We don't have to add semicolons here in the world mouse section. Right? Okay, no semicolons here. So if, what will add? Player is touching what? Player is touching guitar. Player. Player. Okay. Strides. And player is touching here. Sprite will be the player and is touching is the target will be guitar. Okay. So let's see if we need to add the inverted colons. No need for the inverted colons. Now we will add this thing. So we'll go show text and then copy this thing. Yes.